Okay, let's stop the chart. So let's have a quick recap what we have discussed in the last session. In the last session, we have discussed about insert command. We have discussed about select command, where clause. We have discussed about column, alias, and then we have started operator, and we have just completed a single operator and operator. In today's session, we are continuing with the same topic, operators, and in today's session, we are going to discuss about some more. In previous session, we have already completed, and in today's session, we are going to start with the or. But before starting of this particular topic, if anyone have any question, whatever we have discussed till now, you can please raise your hand. Yes, Akshay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Akshay.
Sir, today recording we also get in the WhatsApp, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, Idris, you can unmute.
Hello.
Yes, Idris.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Can you hear me?
Yes, you can ask your question.
Yeah, I want to know if this Python, if this SQL database will survive as a DevOps engineer, but I will still have to do more professional course on SQL.
SQL is used whenever you want to work on database. So if you get a chance to work on database, definitely you need to know SQL language also.
Do I need to know this class sufficient enough for me?
Yes, this class is sufficient to work on SQL language.
I also
Okay.
work as a database analyst, and I do not have much of
this is not a database analyst course. This is just an SQL course. So with this course, you will just only get a knowledge of SQL. If you want to go in a data analytics one, you need to learn their tools.
But
okay.
This SQL is enough for me as
This course is only help you to learn SQL, not any other thing. Okay. Yes, Mohammed Shahid, you can unmute.
Hi, Ankit.
Hi.
Actually, I would like to know that do you also provide Elasticsearch training?
Your voice is not clear, Shahid.
Training?
Shahid, your voice is not clear.
Yeah, and actually, I'm asking, do you also provide? Okay, now it's clear, sir?
Yes, Shahid.
Now it is okay. I'm asking, do you also provide AWS Elasticsearch training?
No, we are providing AWS Architect Associate level.
Architect Associate, not Elasticsearch.
Elastic load balancer you're talking about.
Elasticsearch, I think AWS Elasticsearch.
What is a full service? So you're talking about a specific service, or there are course you're talking about?
I know some organization who.
You're talking about Elastic load balancer and
There are course
Elastic.
about AWS Elasticsearch.
No.
The tool, I think, or service, I don't know.
AWS Elastic Service.
EARCS. Search. It's actually, I know some organization who is looking for Elasticsearch. SEARCH.
No, we are. It is not part of our. It is not part of. Shahid, it is not part of our course. Elasticsearch is not part of our course.
Because I just. Oh, okay, no problem, sir. Thank you.
Yes, yes. Yes, Nitin, you can unmute yourself. Vishnu, you can unmute.
Can I use these commands in AWS instances?
Without,
AWS EC2 machine.
yeah.
In AWS EC2 machine, if you install this thing, you can use it.
Okay, if I install SQL means I can use it in S3 or.
In S3 is a storage service. In S3, you
Yeah,
can't use
okay.
these commands.
By using RDS, we can use na.
In RDS, you can create Oracle database. You can create there also. But if you're going to create Oracle database in AWS, that is going to be cost you because it is not coming under free tier.
Okay, it will not come under free tier.
No.
Yeah, okay, Ankit, thank you.
Okay, so it's up to your wish. If you are eager to pay, you can go for it.
Yeah, okay, Ankit, thank you.
Yes, Vinay.
Yeah, hi Ankit.
Yes, Vinay.
Is there any way to insert a large amount of data by using insert command?
By using insert command, you want to insert large amount of data. Which large amount of data?
Instead of writing multiple lines.
Where you have data right now? Your data is in where right now? Your data is in Excel sheet, or your data is in Note. Where is it?
By manually by entering the data.
You want to enter manually data.
Yeah, insert command.
So insert one, then one by one you need to you need to write insert commands, and you want to execute multiple inserts command in one go. Then you can use PLSQL.
Oh, okay.
PLSQL is the only option where you have easy way, and if you have a data in Excel sheets, even you can upload in database just by using PLSQL. It is possible.
Okay, Ankit. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, Murli. Murli, you have raised your hand. Sanjay, you can unmute.
Yes, Ankit. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Ankit, actually, I'm working on RPA, like Automation Anywhere and UiPath currently. So, but I want to migrate into this one, AWS actually. Okay. So, is it okay, or any like what is your suggestion? Just opinion or something like that?
No, if you want, you can directly move to cloud platform because in IT industry, everything is moving to cloud platforms.
Yeah.
Even databases are also moving to cloud platforms.
And one more thing I want to understand, coming to prerequisites. So this automation anywhere, you may know some little bit about that thing. Okay, so it's a robotic process automation. Basically, whatever the process is there, so we will write some code to automate it. Like
in cloud platforms, no coding is required.
No coding is required. Okay.
No, if you want to do, you can do that also because that's a developer's work. Coding is developer's work. To work on normally in cloud, we don't require coding.
Don't require. Okay. So we can do it now. We can jump into AWS.
Easily, you can do that.
Okay.
AWS or Azure, any cloud.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so we'll start with our today's topic where we are going to discuss about operators. In previous session, we have discussed about only one operator, which is called as AND operator. In AND operator, what we are getting it, we are able to see the data if you have in multiple columns, and if you want to filter your rows based on multiple columns, at that time we are using AND. But this time what I need to do is I need to display the data based on only on single column. I want to display those employee detail which is having employee number as, department number as 20 and department number as 10. I want to display those employee details. Those are in 10 or in 20 department. So I'm writing a query, select star from EMP, where department number equal to, this is one query. How many rows I'm getting? I'm getting 5. I'll write one more query with 10. How many records I'm getting? It means total 8 records are there. 5 in 20. In 10, we have total 3 records. What I need to do here is, I want to display both the records or 8 records in a single select state. I'm going to write select star from EMP where department number equal to 20 and department number equal to 10. I'm writing multiple conditions, so I'm using. But when I'm running this query, please see the result carefully. I'm not getting any record. I'm not able to see a single record here. When I run the single query, I'm getting total 10 records. Sorry, 8 records. But here I'm not getting anything. Why? The reason is both are same column. Both are same column, department number, department. Earlier, when I use AND operator, here I have used sal column, here I have used job column, and here I have used department number. 3 different columns I have used. That time we have used. But whenever I want to display data based on same column, you can't use AND operator. If you are using AND operator, system will not display you a single. So which operator should we use here? Here we are going to use OR operator. Now I am able to see those 8. Now, these are the 8 records we are getting. So whenever we are going to use a single column, at that time we are using OR. Let's take example. I'll give you one more example. I want to display those employee details. Those jobs are equal to manager and jobs are equal to select star from EMP where job equal to manager. It needs to be in single quotes or job equal to job, or both are same column. Here. Sorry. So we are able to see both the records where job is equal to clerk and job is equal to manager. We are able to see. So OR operator we are using when we want to display the data based on same, not on multiple. Multiple columns if you have, then use AND. Single column, use OR. Coming to the next operator is before not operator, I want to display those data where job is equal to clerk. Select star from EMP where job equal to clerk. I want to those employed. How many records? 4 records. Total, how many records we have in our table? Total 14 records. So it means 4 are clerk records. It means except clerk, total we have 10. Now I come to the not. I want to display those employee details where job is not equal to clerk. Where job is not equal to clerk, I want to display except clerk. I want to display other employees. So if I want to display those employee detail except clerk, we are going to use not. And where we should this not operator? Before our column. So here we are able to see our result where job is not equal to me except clerk. We are able to see our all employees. Are we able to see any clerk? Total how many records we are able to see? Except those 4 records, we are able to see our other 10. So this is what we have about the not. Next is between operator. Between operator use whenever I want to display detail between this number between second number. That time we are between those something real values. If I want to display the data, that time we are using between operator. Select star from EMP here. Now I want to display those employee detail which are having salary between 1,000 and 3,000. Between 1,000 and 3,000, I want to display those all employees. Let's check how many records we have. How we can use between after operator, where mention your column name. Which column name? Sal. After sal, we need to give the operator. What is our operator? And now give the lowest value. 1,000. Use and sign. Give the upper value. So between 1,000 and 3,000, whatever the employees I have, it is displaying all 11 employees. These are the 11 employees we have who are having salary between 1,000 and 3,000. I'll do some changes in this query also. Let me do one thing. Let me just give here as on behalf of 3,000, I'll give 2,000. Let's see how many employees. 2. So 6 employee details I am getting. Between total 6 employees are under in our table. Those are having salary between 1,000 and 2,000. Now, can I give the bigger value first? Right now we have given smaller value and then we have given bigger value. I'll switch 3,000. See, we are not getting it, so it will not work. So always your smaller value needs to come first and then your bigger. First smaller value, then your bigger value needs to come. Then we are able to see the result. If you are doing it first bigger value, we are not able to see. We'll get as blank. This is between we have. Now, you guys can use anything. I'm just using numbers. You can, whenever you practice, you can go with the dates also, go with the characters also, whichever you want to use, you can use it. It will work there with your dates. It will work with your characters also. Now, in previous session, someone has asked me one question. They want to display those employee details, or in previous session, let me just open my table. They want to display those student detail where their marks is showing us as null. In previous session, we have used where clause where we have only seen the numbering details, greater than, less than, but we have some employee where we have a values null also. In previous session, someone asked me this question. So I need those details I want to display. In our EMP table also we have. See, we have a commission column. In commission column, we have lot of null records. I want to display only these null records. Let's try to see our null records. Let me write a query like in previous session we have write select star from EMP where commission equal to null. Null is not a value, so we are not giving in single quotes. We have discussed it. Nothing it is showing me. I have a values. How many values we have? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 10, 14 minus 4, 10. It means 10 times we have null. 10 times we have null. So when I'm using here equal to, I'm not getting a result. Because in select statement with null, you can't use equal to operator. In your select statement with null, you can't use equal to operator. Equal to operator will only work with values. It will not work with your select state. So what should we use? We have an operator here. What is that name of that operator? Operator name is null. So you can't use equal to in your select statement. You need to use here as is null. So if you are going to use is null, then it is going to display as the here is that question of the answer which you have asked in previous session. So here we are getting those 10 records where commission is so this is how anywhere like if I go with my table also in previous session which we have created from geo underscore student where marks is so with in select statement, you can't use equal to operator with your null keyword. You need to always use is. This is what we have. How many operators we have learned? And or not between is not. Did we complete operator? No, we have still more operator to come. Next one is like. Like operator sign is percentage. Percentage sign means like operator. But before that, let's have quick questions and then we'll move. Anyone have any question regarding this? Yes, Vamsi.
Sir,
Yes, Vamsi.
sir, what is difference between file management and database management system?
File management and
Database management system.
I'm not aware of these things. I'm not aware of that.
Okay. So
Any question related to this? If you have, you can please let me know.
why we are using database instead of files?
Why we are using? Because in files we have some limitations. In database we don't have. In database we have a data in structure.
Okay.
In files we are not getting the structured data.
Okay.
Yes, Galaxy J8 you can unmute. Yes, Pranit, you can unmute. Pranit, you have already unmuted yourself.
How to the separate function like is
How to?
replace the not null. How to write?
So use not word here.
Is not commission. Is not null or
Not.
not commission is null.
Yes.
Can you write the query?
See the records.
Thank
Clear?
you.
Yes, Murli. Murli, unmute yourself. Mahesh, you can unmute. Yes, Mahesh. Nitin, you can unmute. Nitin, you have raised your hand.
Sir, can you please share the link of downloading the Oracle
Or downloading the Oracle.
SQL, sir? Yes, that
I'm
works.
sharing the YouTube video link in the chat box. In the chat box, you will find.
Okay,
You see
thank
the
you, sir.
YouTube video in YouTube description.
Thank you.
Yes, Boris, you can.
Thank you.
Yes, Boris.
Okay, I wanted to just find out. I'm just picturing a scenario where you have a data set, maybe if it's possible to import the data set into maybe SQL or something. Let's assume it's already there, or the table, like the tables we already have, and you want to do multiple operations and come out with a particular data set, like the operation
I'm
might
not
be to
able
set.
to understand a single question.
I'm saying that if you have a data set like the tables that we, like the data set that we had, like the one that we're using for, the one that we have that we're using for the demo now, and you want to do multiple operations and come out with a particular data set that is different with multiple operations done, will you have to write one single long block of code, or you can break it into different sections?
You want to use multiple operators in a single query.
Yes.
You can do that right now, like done. I have done now.
Will you do that in one long block?
What I'm doing here is just query. In a single query, you can use multiple also, but not every operator will not work in a single query. Few of the operators you can use in a single query.
Can you assign outcomes to new? Can you assign your outcome to something new and then continue using it? That will give you a different name, like different from EMP.
These things, when you're doing practice, try these things when you're doing practice. It's not possible to show each and everything in the training, because there are other students also. We need to complete our course also. Okay, so these type of doubts which you have in your mind, when you do practice, practically try.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, Shiva, you can. Yes, Shiva, you can unmute. Shiva, do you have any question?
No, sir.
Yes, Shiva.
No, sir.
Why you are raising your hand if you don't have a question? Why you're wasting your time and my time?
No, sir. Actually, it is unfortunate. It's touching my hand.
Abdul, you can unmute.
Okay.
Yes, Abdul.
Can we update the number instead of null in this column section?
Can we update
Numbers instead of null.
which number you want to update? You are talking about update command. You want to update something?
Yeah. Instead
So
of null.
we'll update command. We didn't learn right. We'll learn in upcoming session.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so we'll start with our topic. We are going to go with the like operator. With like operator, what it is displaying us is, with like operator, we can see some data, whatever the similar type of data. If you want to see, we can use the like operator. Like operator is used whenever I want to display the data similar to the one whichever I have given in my. Let's take example. I want to display the data where the first name is A. The first letter is A. I want to display those employee data. How I'm going to write the query? Please see this carefully. Select star from EMP where ename. Ename like in single quotes, give your letter first A, then percentage sign, and then single quotes. So first letter is going to be A, and then we have given the percentage here. Percentage means after that, whatever we have, it is going to consider all letters, but it needs to be first letter as A. So copy this one, paste here, and you can see here how many employees I have. I have 2 employees where their name is starting with the letter S. Let's go one more thing. I want to display those employed here where their first letter is start with. I'm not getting any result. I have some employees. The reason is I have given J in the small letters. Now I'm giving in capital. See here, we are able to see our data. Data is case sensitive. Now, and here I am displaying the first few letters. Let me show you one more thing. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Guys, can you please confirm in the chat box, is there any common between these 3 names which I have marked down? In the chat box, you can please confirm. Correct. All 3 names, whatever we have given it, end with S. Means the last letter is S for these 3 ones. So here I'm displaying first letter. Here now I want to display the last letter. So display the last letter. Like now. Now earlier we are giving letter, then percentage. If I want to go with last, it is opposite. First percentage, then letter. We are able to display our data. Now, let's move next example. Okay. See here. Here we have one name, this one. Second name is this one. Is there any common between these 2 names? In the chat box, you guys can please confirm. One more. We have. Second letter is A. What second letter A? Martin second letter A. James second letter is A. These 3, in these 3 letters, this is common in these 3 words. Now, it means what I need to skip first letter. In this one, I need to skip W. In this one, I need to skip M. In this one, I need to skip J. How can I skip these 3 letters? With the help of underscore. With the help of underscore, we can skip the letter. 1 underscore means 1 letter we are skipping. 1 underscore means we are skipping 1. I'll pick the same example. And before A, I want to skip one letter. So first I am giving underscore, then letter A, and then if I give 2 times underscore, it means I am skipping 2 letters, just going to the third letter. Here we are able to see our result. Now, let me come again. Jones, James, Miller, Turner. Anything common in these 4 names? Second last letter is E, sorry. Second last letter is E. E is common in the second last letter. So it means I need to skip last letter and then I need to display the result as now. So here what we have done, percentage, then letter S. So here we are giving percentage, letter, and then all 5 names, whatever we have, we are getting it with second last letter as E. This is we have seen with like and underscore. I want to display those employee detail where their name, in their name, they have letter as A in the first, middle, between, last, wherever it is. Wherever it is, if they have a letter A, I want to display those employees. In starting, in between, or last, wherever it is. So let's rename like percentage A percentage. So if I give percent in starting or in between, that letter, whatever I'm giving, it is displaying all the words. See, first, second, third. It is displaying all records wherever we have letter A in our employee. In between, in starting, or in the last, wherever we have, we are able to display our. This is what we have all about. Like next and the last operator we have it is in operator. In operator is same as or operator. Is the result which I am getting with or operator. If you write in operator, the result is same. There is no change in the result, only change is format. The syntax is changed. Result is same, you write or you write in query. So how can I write an in query? Select star from EMP where department number in bracket open 20 comma. The result which I am getting with this query, we are how many records we are getting it? 8 records. Now I am running this query. See, the same 8 records here also we are able to see. So you write or query or you go with in operator, both are same thing. The only thing is syntax is changed. Other than that, result is always same between or and in. Now, is there any other thing can change? Is there any difference between these two queries? No. Result is same. The only thing difference is the syntax. Second thing vary is performance. Which query run faster? Or query run faster or In query run faster. In query run faster than or. That's the major difference between we have or and. This is what we have about our operators. We have completed our operators. Now I'll show you one keyword. What is that keyword? I'm going to show you is distinct. Distinct. What distinct keyword is? Distinct keyword is help us to get unique values from that particular. Like if you see here, I have multiple columns here. 220, we have 30, then 20, then 10 we have. Right now, I just 14 rows, I can see that. But in real time, I have millions of queries. If I just want to check how many unique values we have in that particular column, how can I check those unique values? With the help of distinct, select, distinct, space, mention your column name from how many unique values we have total? 3 unique values we have in our table, and all those 3 unique values we are able to see here in our. Here we are able to see department number. Now let me show you, go with the jobs. How many jobs we have total in our table? Total 5 types of jobs we have. Now, next. With this, we have completed in operators, operators and distinct keyword. Let me show you one more keyword here. DESC. What DESC is doing? D stands for describe. DESC space table. With the help of describe command, it is displaying us the structure of the table. The structure of the table. These are the column names. These are their data types. And what size we have given it. Here we are. Now, let me show you the one which the table we have created. See here. Number, varchar 2, number 3, 10, 3, the size, whatever we have given, and whatever the size they have given it, we are able to. So with the help of DESC space table name, we can see the complete structure of our table also. And here we are seeing something new called not null also. What is this not null? We'll learn in upcoming session. So with the help of DESC, we can see the details about our table structure. Next thing, we need to learn about functions. We need to learn about functions. We have 2 types of functions. Group functions and single row function. Single row function is also called as scalar function, and group functions are also called as aggregate functions also. These are different names we have it. Group and aggregate both are same. Single row and scalar functions both are. Now under group function also we have multiple types. What are those types? Sum, minimum, max, average, count star, count. These are the 6 type of functions we have under our group function. Now, if I talk about scalar function, under this we have 4 types. One is character function, number function, date function, conversion. Under these 4 types also we have multiple functions. What are those types? We'll discuss it whenever we'll come to the topics. That time we'll discuss. So first we need to discuss about group. Under group function, the first type we have it is sum. But before starting it, let again have some quick questions and then we'll move. Yes, Rohit Chaudhary.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Rohit.
Yesterday, sir, I unable to download the software because it can't open.
Which operating system you are using?
Windows 10.
Will open.
No,
What
sir.
error message you are getting? Is there any error number you are getting it?
No error number. Sir, is whole folder are download or only
Whole folder you need to download.
Okay, sir.
Whole folder you need to download.
On the drive link, only exe file it will show.
No, you need to download a complete folder. If you check the video carefully, did I only download exe file or complete folder?
Exe file, sir.
Are you sure, Rohit?
Yes, sir.
Rohit, I am the trainer. I know what I have downloaded. If you check the video carefully, in the video I have to download a complete folder. And I am using only exe file, but downloaded a complete folder.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay.
Yes, Praveen. Praveen, you can unmute.
Hi, sir.
Yes, Praveen.
Yeah. Can you actually data types is we can use string format to load the data.
Which data type you're talking about?
String.
What string is doing?
In case we load the data to database, total data, we can in this we can use string format for number and date combination.
That is why we are using varchar 2.
Okay.
In Oracle, we are using varchar 2.
Okay, sir. Okay. That's it, sir.
Yes,
Thank you.
Shadab.
Yeah, hi Ankit. Good evening.
Hi, good evening.
Just a quick question. Wanted to know why the like when we use varchar to data type. So when it's letters we are using single quotes, and when it's number we don't use it. Can I know the logic?
Because characters for varchar 2 and date we need to use single quote. It is mandatory. There is no logic behind, it's a rule.
Okay. So
for everything there is no logic. Some are rules also. Okay.
No, like if it's number we shouldn't have to use it. Like when you searched for
few things there are no logic. The only thing is rules and regulations.
Okay.
The rules which are set by the Azure, we need to follow their rules.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, Galaxy J8. Shahid, you can unmute.
Ankit.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, actually, I don't have any question, but I have one request for you. So, can you please share this notepad after the end of the class?
It is already uploaded in our website.
These queries.
These queries are already uploaded in our website. Yes, go to logicalabstract.com. Okay, go to first you need to log into our website. Okay, let me show you that also. Go to courses. Here you have a course called SQL Batch 117. See here, day one queries here, day 2 queries here. But first of all, you need to log into website. Recording is not uploaded. Recording also will upload by today, but notes are
Okay.
already uploaded.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Okay, but one important point. Access these notes, you need to make some payment. Okay, and from tomorrow's session, you will not get a recordings.
We need to watch this.
Are you attending from day one, Mohammed? This
Yes,
training?
yes, yes.
If you might be remember on the day one, within 10 minutes of the training or 15 minutes, one student has asked the question.
Okay.
I have already explained it that only live training is free. To attend live training, you don't need to pay anything. If you need to access notes and recordings, you need to pay. Within 10 to 15 minutes,
Got it.
I have
Got
already
it.
given the answer.
Yeah, got it. Thank you. Thank you.
And even I have shown you one image also to previous students that what are the things they are getting if they are going to make the payment of 590 rupees. Did you remember this image which I have shown earlier?
No, actually.
These are things if you're going to pay, you will live training or everyone is getting recordings, notes, dump, document, interview questions, queries, quiz, and course completion.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Please listen the session carefully whenever you're in the session.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Thank you.
Yes, Nagaraju.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
My requirements is 10 rows in a table, 1 to 10 numbers.
You want
10 rows in a 10 rows in a table, 1 to 10 numbers, and insert the new row in 5th position. Is it possible or not?
No, it's not possible to insert the row in the 5th position. It's not possible. This is not possible even with PLSQ, anywhere it's not possible anywhere.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll continue with our sum operator. What sum operator is doing? Normally we know that what sum is doing it. With the help of sum operator, system is doing some calculation. What calculation? Giving the plus. So I have employee table. In employee table, we have a salary column. We have a salary column. With salary column, I want to display the total salary we are paying to all our employees. It means I'm going to create a sum of all my employees' salary. Select sal, give our function sum, and then in the bracket, mention your column name from total how much salary we are paying to all our employees? 29,025. Whatever it is. 29,025. We are paying the total amount of salary to all our employees. We are getting it this much of. Now, this is some. Can I put some filters into that? Because here I'm displaying for all employees. I want to display only for those employees, those are working in department number as 10. Those are working in department number 10. Here we are able to see with the help of department. Only the person who working on department number 10, these are the total salary of those. This is group function. 1. This is sum, we go with max. What max is doing it? Giving us the maximum value. This is the maximum value from all salaries. Here also we can put filter where department number equal to 20. This is max. We have minimum also, opposite to max. This is the minimum salary we are paying. One of the. So here we have seen sum, max, minimum. Next is average. So with the help of average, we can get the average size. So just give the AVG and the bracket, give your column name from table name. In minimum also, you guys can use where clause. If I'm not using, doesn't mean you can. Yes, you can use that also. Here we are getting the average salary which we are paying to all our employees. Next is count star. We have count star. So we have seen these four. Next we have count and then count column. Select count star from EM. What count star is going to do? Count star is going to calculate the number of rows in my, how many rows we have in our table? Total 14 records. So with the help of count star, it is going to count all the number of rows in our table. And here also I can see, but with the help of function, group function also, we can get the. Now, there is one more way we can check the count. So run your query, select star from table name, right click, any of the column, right click, count rows. Here I am. Here we are getting the 14. Next and the last group function we have. Count column. Now we'll discuss it. What is the difference between count star and count column? Count. I'm giving a column name here as department number. From how many records I'm getting? 40. In this select statement also I'm getting records as 14. In this one also I'm getting as 14. So what's the difference between count star and count column? Let's see. Select count commission column from. How many records it is showing me now? Now I'm not getting it 40. I'm just getting is 4. Why? Let's come to. Because with count column name, it is counting the values. How many values we have in that? And in department number, we have 14 values. In commission, how many values we have? Only 4 values. So it is only counting the values, not the all. It's not counting the null, only the value. So how many values we have? So count column name is counting the values. Count star is counting the. And it's not possible. You can enter null in all columns. It's not possible. Impossible. That is. There needs to be one value needs to be there in your column. One value needs to. So it is counting the number of rows. Count star, count column name is counting the. So this is we have discussed about group function. Next we have scalar function. Scalar function we are going to continue in tomorrow's session. Let's have quick questions and then we'll end our session. Yes, Shubham, say.
Yeah, hello. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yeah, actually, I wanted to know, like, we are displaying all the output, and can we arrange in a particular order, like in?
Yes, it is possible. We'll see in upcoming session.
Okay.
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 Yes, Maheshwari. Maheshwari, you can unmute yourself. Shri, you can unmute.
Hello.
Yes, Shri.
I'm not able to connect Oracle database with SQL Developer. I'm getting failure. Can I share my screen?
No.
Okay. I'm getting a failure which is saying IO error. The network adapter could not establish the connection.
Is there any error number you are getting?
Error number
ORA something? ORA something?
No. It's actually connection ID it is showing, but there is no error number. It is IO error.
Whatever. Oh, some number are you coming? Are you able to see some number there?
There is no number.
Okay. So put your question, screenshot, go to our website and make sure you are going to post your question in SQL batch 117.
Okay.
Okay. If you are going to post somewhere else, no one is going to reply.
Okay.
But there is one more community you will find called Logical Labs Club. Don't post your question there. You need to post your question in SQL batch 117.
Sure.
Okay. If you are going to post there, you will not get any.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, a screenshot.
Yes, thanks.
Yes, Satya. You can.
In the average, we have got the decimal value, like 2 point we have got. So
yes,
can we make it as a round figure in that query itself?
Possible in upcoming session.
Oh, sure. Thank you.
Yes, Janvi, you can.
Good evening, Ankit. So I have installed this Oracle developer. However, when I'm creating this what you call database, it is not allowing me. It is giving me an error. It has this error code which says SQL level 1 ORA 0111882 time zone region not
Just
found.
a minute. So this is your system issue, Janvi.
Okay.
That one, I can't help you. You need to just search on Google. Whatever the number you are getting it, ORA, some number. Okay. Just search that number and check the solution. This is your system issue.
Okay. Thank you.
Search any plan.
Sir, what is the difference between sum and total?
What is the difference between
sum and total?
There is total. Where we have used total.
The total we are using in our SQL, sir, total.
Where we have, where? Let me know where. Where I have used a total word. Do we have any something called total? Where I have used total? Please let me know.
No, sir, this is a general question, sir.
So there is not something like total we have in AWS, sorry, in developer in SQL. How can I give you the solution for sum and total?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Can you tell me what is total?
Total means it is a count, na, sir. What is total?
Count?
Total
or
is,
the yes, continue.
The total and sum it is equal, na, sir. So that
means the total number of result we are getting it.
Yes, right.
What is sum?
Sum it is the additional of all the rows and this also.
Total is also sum.
Yes, right.
And sum is also sum. So these are the math questions which you have learned in our second or third class.
Okay.
Yes, Pravalika, you can unmute. Queen, you can unmute.
Hello?
Yes, Queen.
Yes, my question is, like, for example, if you want to count all the columns, for example, like you wrote count bracket column name. What if you just want to count all the, like the like the columns listed.
How many columns you have? You want
how
to
many
check?
columns? Yeah.
That you can
How-
check by using DESC. We have seen this DESC command with the help of this one, or you can go to here, open declaration. There you can see this one details.
Can
Here
you
are
write
getting.
it as a query?
There is no query for that. The DESC, one option you have.
Yeah.
The DESC keyword which we have discussed it. This is one option. Other option is right click on your table name and click on open declaration. There you will find all the right click, open declaration.
I have
Here
another
you are
question.
getting.
For
Here you will
example,
get, let me complete.
Okay.
Here you will get the count of columns. Okay, here also, the right side, left side.
Okay. Well, I have another question. Like, how do we go to check this table that has been created, like geo._? Like, do we go to the table or Oracle?
You want to check all the tables, whatever you have.
Yeah, that we have.
On the left side, you have option of tables.
Yeah.
Click on this plus button, you will find all the tables, whatever you have in your data. Here you are getting.
Can you show us the geo_? there? Okay, got it. Thank you.
Yes, Mahesh.
Hello.
Yes, Mahesh.
Yeah, we are filtering that first word and last word, right, by using percentile. Like that, can we filter any words in between?
That is what we have discussed about underscore.
Yeah, underscore. We are using skipping just single letters, right? Single
So
letter and
if
two letter.
once underscore means one letter.
Yeah.
Two underscore means two letter. Three
Two letter.
underscore means three letter.
Yes, my question was, after that, can we filter that particular word, something, particular 4 letters or 3 letters or like that?
Like I am just giving one letter, you can give 2-3 letters also there.
Okay. Okay, if that type of data is there, then we can get
Data needs to be there, yes.
Yeah. And yeah, that's it.
Yes, I. Hi, Dinesh.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, can you use modulus operator, sir? Can you show the
Modular?
example? Modulus
No.
operator. When I'm using modulus operator, I got error.
Where it is modular operator? In Oracle database?
Sir, modulus operator, sir. In arithmetic operators, we have a modulus operator, right?
In where you are using, Dinesh?
Sir, I write a query, sir. Select
Send me in the
column.
chat box.
Okay, sir. Sir, one more doubt, sir.
Send me in the chat box. First, go one by one, Sai. I'm waiting for your query. If you didn't write your query, don't waste your time and my time. This is not your query, this is your question, Sai. Can you show the example of modulus operator? Percentage. This is your question. I'm asking your query, Dinesh. Can you please unmute?
Sir, I'm writing query, sir.
So it doesn't mean you didn't write your query. So post your question in the discussion.
Sir, I'm right.
Don't waste your time and my time, Dinesh. I have other students also. So talk. Post your question in the discussion.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Venkatesh.
Yes, sir. While discussing the count, you have shown another alternative way of seeing by clicking. Can you show that once again?
Which thing? This is what we have seen. With count star, we are getting all column names, or all rows, sorry. With count
yeah.
department number, we are getting only the column rows, means the data,
You-
whatever the data we have.
You showed by clicking on the table and you said another method now, sir. By clicking on the table, you said something.
I just said that right click on the table name, click on open declaration.
Not this, sir. By clicking on particular column, you said something on a table. In a
I don't
table.
remember. I don't remember what you're talking about.
Yeah, you told by clicking on one column of the table, sir.
Right click on that column, click on count rows.
Yeah.
This is also we are getting the number of rows.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yes, Anju, you can unmute.
Sir,
Yes, Anju.
so we have used the like operator for only characters only, or we use for values also.
You can use for numbers also. While practice,
Okay.
you can try.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, Hema, you can.
Hello. Can we alter one value with another value?
Yes, we update. That is called as update.
Okay.
How to
Can
do
you
we'll
show
learn
that query?
in upcoming session.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, Faisal, you can.
Hi, Ankit.
Hi.
First of all, thanks for giving this opportunity. My question
Yes,
is, in distinct keyword, here in session we use for particular columns, right?
Particular column, yes.
Can we assign that distinct keyword for complete table?
No, not possible.
Or we need to write a query like distinct of number of columns, like
Not possible. One column you can
only one column.
Yes.
Okay, Ankit, thank you.
Yes, Sri.
Hi, Ankit.
Yes,
You
Sri.
said I can check the discussion, and I can only see the general discussion, not the discussion on this batch.
Only paid student can see this discussion.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay. So with this, I'm ending the session. In tomorrow's session, we are going to continue with the functions. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.